This is why you need to know about cakes, because their leg colors are the ultimate bird fashion showdown. Meet the yellow-legged keek, strutting around like a sunshine diva, and then say hello to the green-legged keek, the rare gem of the parrot world. Yellow-legged keeks are common, but those green-legged ones? They're like finding a four-leaf clover. Both are equally adorable, playful, and ready to steal your heart. But wait, there's more. Meet the black-headed keek with its striking contrast of black and white feathers. Whether you're team yellow, team green, or team black-headed, one thing's for sure, these little feathered friends are a joy to watch. So, which team are you? Drop a comment below.